My name is Eli Kamara. I specialize in hip and knee replacement surgery. I've been at Montefiore for 4 years now. I grew up in the New York area on Long Island. I did my medical school over at the Albert Einstein College of Medicine as well, so I'm a graduate from this program. Working in the department, we have a lot of resources for research here. We have a full-time research faculty and coordinator, and that's really led us to develop a lot of different studies on clinical outcomes and also public health outcomes in orthopedic surgery. A lot of those studies have gone on to multiple published publications and different presentations at major conferences, and it's led to an interest from myself personally in public policy. Public policy is really important, number one, for patient safety. It's very important to have robust policy that's informed by physicians first to ensure that patients get the appropriate care in the appropriate setting and that their access to care is maintained.